Hello and welcome. You're watching Goa 365 News now. I'm your anchor Anjali Agyar and I'm here to bring you stories shaping Goa, India and the world. Let's take a quick look at the headlines. Tension flares in Kasauli after residents and opposition leaders halt underpass construction, alleging illegal entry and land misuse by railway authorities. Fear continues to grip Vasco after November 17 shocking midnight dacoity in Baina. FMCG and Telecom Distributors Association meet top cops demanding stricter night patrolling and immediate reforms in policing. Chaos at Bali Gram Sabha. Residents stalled proceedings demanding a permanent secretary and action on long pending resolutions. After 11 secretaries in 11 months, villagers say enough is enough. And we begin with our top story for the day. Tensions escalated in Kasauli today as local residents, joined by several opposition leaders, staged a protest at the railway underpass construction site. The protesters alleged that railway authorities entered private land without permission and began work illegally. They stressed that they are not against the underpass but against what they call a high-handed and opaque execution of the project.
Protests erupted in Kansaulim Vilsau on Sunday as angry villagers confronted railway officials at the ongoing underpass construction site. What began as murmurs of discontent soon turned into a full-scale demonstration, with opposition leaders standing shoulder to shoulder with local residents. The core allegation: railway authorities trespassed onto private property. Protesters claimed that land belonging to a local family was entered without notice, and excavation began without seeking mandatory consent.
I saw officials of RVNL. This I came to know who they identified after I confronted them, and they admitted it too that they had demolished my compound wall. Without any intimation, without the acquisition process of the land being completed, or doing all the formalities that they have to do, that has to be done. This was on 20th. They broke a length of about 10 meters. Today, as you can see, every day, 21st, again they were doing more work. They broke the compound wall more. Yesterday also, 22nd, again they got heavy machinery. They broke my compound wall again, the same laterite. They were making powder, leveling this land, dumping in soil. There's a nala between both the properties of mine, which they buried.
The sad thing is, आमचे इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स इफ दे पुटिंग अ डिविजन बिटवीन टू टाइप ऑफ पीपल त्या वाटेचे आणि ह्या वाटेचे म्हणजे दिस इज रिडिक्युलस फॉर मी कित्याक आयज उलयन जावपाक जाय आसलें इट इज नॉट अबाउट जस्ट अ वे तांकां वे जाय वो तांकां मेळपाक जाय रायट ऑफ वे येस बट बेकायदेशीर तेचे भाशेन कितेंय करून दादागिरी करून गुंडागिरी करून आनी झगडी घालून ना इट कॅनॉट बी डन दॅट वे
हे प्रमोद सावंताचे सरकार आज पुलीस यंत्रणा यूज करून करता तें दिश्टी पडून येता. आता एक प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी बांदता ताज्या प्रॉपर्टीचो जाचे परमिशन ताणें कंपाऊंडाचे 1990 घेतिल्लें ताजे कडेन आसा. ताणें 20 तारखेक वचून ह्या प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकाराच्या पुलीस इन्स्पेक्टराक कंप्लेंट फायल केली. आज 3 दीस जाले कांयच एक्शन जायना. वयल्यान हे RVNLचे मशिनरी हाडटा हेवी मशिनरी ट्रेसपास करता कोणाचो कंपाऊंड मोडटा भितर घुसून आज दादागिरी चल्ला.
फाटल्या फावट when I raised the railway minister Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, he said na mache please try to cooperate. I said there's no question of cooperation. You cannot trespass into people's houses. They had done it with a lady in Welsau, her property. I hanga kela, and that GM of RVNL brazenly says तुम्ही कंप्लेन करो म्हणजे इज चॅलेंजिंग. सो नाव वी विल शो वॉट वी कॅन डू. गोंयकार पहिले सुवातेर हांगा मॅजिस्ट्रेटान येवपाची गरजूच ना. PI इज अ पर्सन गिवन फुल ऑथॉरिटी फॉर लॉ अँड कंट्रोल. लॉ अँड ऑर्डर कित्याक फेल जाता जेन्ना पुलीस मशिनरी फेल जाता. आयज आमी पळयलां हांवें PIक विचारलें वाय आर यू वेटिंग फॉर द मॅजिस्ट्रेट. नाव द ओनर इज देर. Complaint is given to you. I have spoken to you. Owner is there in front of the RVNL officials. He is saying my property. RVNL official is admitting he has trespassed, and still PI is not taking action. That means what it means? That means contrary where son law and order डावन दवरता त्या खातीर सगळी डेकॉयटी आनी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर फेल जालो ह्या खातीर.
Law has to be followed. We have been told on the record that the land has not been acquired. How can you enter into a land which is not acquired, which you are seeking to acquire? What does it mean? Is this your father's property? Private properties are bought by the government or some agent. How can this machinery, such type of machinery come here? Tomorrow something happens to this machinery, who is responsible? Can you enter into somebody's property without his permission? And there is a complaint with the police which is pending.
I have
The Honorable
filed- I
MP
have
has
filed a
filed a
complaint yesterday.
complaint. He is a representative of half of Goa. His complaint is not being given heed to. Which is what? This is institutionalized Dadagiri. And it is work on a Sunday. Today is a Sunday. Just like the robbers come in the night and rob people's houses, the government is working on Sundays.
केलेले हे अंडरपास जायो नाका जाल्यार आमी डिनाय कोना अंडरपास नाका म्हणून आनी सगळ्यांचो अंडरपास सगळ्यांक जाय रोड एक्सेस पूण हिंग कितें जाता हिंगा इलिगली कोत्ताय रोड अंडरपास कोत्ताय जाय करपाक डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय कोराय पूण प्रॉपर परमिशन घेवपाक जाय.
जेन्ना आरव्हीएनएल हिंगा काम चालू केलेले आसा तेन्नाच्यान हे फोर्सफुल लोकांच्या भाटां भितर वचून काम चालू आसा. आयज आयरनी पळय की आमचे भायले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे एमएलए हिंगा येयले लोकां बारार पूण आमचो लोकल एमएलए ना लोकां बारार. तो खंय आहा तो कित्याक त्या सायडीक लिपून बसलेलो आसा कित्याक आमचो एमएलए आमच्या बारार ना.
The local MLA, meanwhile, defended the construction. He argued that the project was executed following due process after locals had raised demands for an underpass to prevent accidents and mishaps. Listen.
तुमकां खबर आसतली लास्ट टायम तुमी हाडले केन्ना 29 डिसेंबर मागच्या 2 वर्सां जालीं आमी हांगासर फावंडेशन स्टोन घातलो आनी आमी CMD तेन्ना आसलो आनी ते टायमार आमचो हे 2 वर्सां भितर जायते प्रॉब्लम जालो. कोण आमचे मागीर रिक्वेस्ट केले जाल्यार आमकां थोडे दिन हाडले मागीर तेंच्यांनी आतां सगळें प्रोसिजर कितें करून तेंच्यांनी आतां तें काम हातीन घेतलां आनी म्हाका आयज ऑलरेडी तेणी सकाळीं 7 काम स्टार्ट केलें. ऑलमोस्ट तेंचें आतां काम कामार जावपाचें येयलां. लास्ट टायम कितलेय फावटी हांगासर कितले इन्सिडेंट जाले कितले जाण मेले तुमी तेन्ना दाखयताले रेल्वे पंचान वयता ते ओड घालून वयता ते दाखयताले हें तुमकां दिसती पडटालें. हाकाच लागून आमी इतले इन्सिडेंट तेन्ना जाले म्हणून ह्यो लोकांचो एक डिमांड आसलो आनी हें बाबा आमचो अंडर बायपास हो तेंका जालो तेका लागून आमी हो करून घेतला. म्हाका दुसरें आनी कांय सांगपाचें ना कित्याक हें बरे भाशेन काम करून आमच्या लोकांक आमकां दिवपाचें कित्याक ताचो डिमांड आसलो.
The railways have not yet issued an official response to the allegations. With protests intensifying, the future of the underpass project remains uncertain. Hiru Mahale, Subhashish Govekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
In Vasco, fear and frustration are growing after a shocking midnight dacoity at a distributor's residence in Baina. Days after the attack, the All Goa FMCG and Telecom Distributors Association has met top officials of the Marmagao Police, demanding stronger night vigilance and a complete overhaul of patrolling standards. Here's more.
The Baina dacoity of November 17th has sent shockwaves across Goa's distributor community. A gang of 7 to 8 armed intruders stormed the 6th floor apartment of an FMCG distributor at Chamundi Arcade, assaulting his family and escaping with cash and jewelry. The brutality and timing of the attack, around midnight, have triggered intense concern over night policing in Vasco. On Saturday evening, a delegation from the All Goa FMCG and Telecom Distributors Association arrived at the Mormugao police station to meet PI Sheriff Jacques and DSP Gurudas Kadam. The message was clear: the system failed and it must not fail again. In a detailed representation, the delegation said the dacoity could have been prevented with consistent night patrolling and stronger on-ground surveillance. AGFTDA General Secretary Chetan Kapdi said the association was deeply concerned and disappointed, questioning how the intruders moved freely at midnight through a busy port town.
President of the association, as Chetan has said, very true. We have feeling vulnerable as businessmen that we are being targeted. We are the soft targets. All of the business, the people know that these businessmen are there. They will have something. That we are thinking that we are being targeted now, and this is not a good situation at all. We will have to think. It is not a situation where we, like in Bihar, people are walking around with their own private security personnel. We cannot reach to that stage. This has to be stopped now only. solutions have to be found. Government has to see that we are protected properly.
डिमांड्स कितें आसा की तुमी आतां जे इन्सिडेंट जालो ताका बेगींतले बेगीन तुमी कशें अरेस्ट करपाक शकता त्या लोकांक ओके आयडेंटिफाय करून तांकां अरेस्ट करात फर्स्ट थिंग आनी सेकंड डिमांड इज दॅट की तुमी प्रिव्हेंटीव फुडें अशे इन्सिडेंट जावंक जायना आनी हांगा हांव सांगपाक सोदता की सेम आमची बिजनस कम्युनिटीन पयलीं दॅट वॉज अ रॉबरी एकटो कारवालो म्हणून आशिल्लो जो नोटोरियस ही वॉज अ क्रिमिनल आनी ताणें कितलेशेच आमचे मेंबरांक ताणें लुटले आनी वी कूड नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट ते जायत आसले मागीर लास्टाक आमी ते सामको प्रेशर बी हाडून आमी ते कितें केलां आनी हें तर डेकॉयटी जाली म्हणजे हांव तुमकां एकूच विचारतां की सागर नायकची कितें मिस्टेक आशिल्ली तो रातचो खंय भोंवतालो तो बावडो आपल्या घरा वचून न्हिदिल्लो आनी थंय हे 8 डेकॉयट्स ते सगळे 6th फ्लोराचेर येवन ताच्या घरा येवन ताका अटॅक करतात म्हणजे इट इज अ कंप्लीट म्हाका दिसता पुलिसींग फेलियर तातूंत म्हाका दिसता की इट इज अ कंप्लीट पुलिसींग फेलियर बिकॉज मेन थिंग कितें आसा की पुलिसाचें काम हें न्ही की चोरी जातकच ताका धरपाचो द मेन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज दॅट की तुमी कशें प्रिव्हेंट करपाचें पुलिसींग करपाचें हाव टू प्रिव्हेंट द इन्सिडेंट फ्रॉम हॅपनिंग आनी म्हाका दिसता की हांचे नायट पेट्रोलिंग कांय ना ते जे रातचे भोंवतात तांचे कांय डॉक्युमेंट्स हे कलेक्ट करना ते व्हेरिफिकेशनूय करूंक जाय म्हणजे रातचो एक मनीस भोंवता तो कित्याक भोंवता ताजो तुमी आधार कार्ड घेयात ड्रायव्हिंग लायसन्स घेयात तो खंय गेल्लो ते विचारात ते रिकन्फर्म करात की खरेंच अशें आशिल्लें काय ना हे सगळे जे फ्लॉज आसात ओके आनी हांवें आनी एक पळयलां की वी आर नॉट लर्निंग फ्रॉम अवर मिस्टेक्स ओके हे असलेच इन्सिडेंट्स आसा न्ही हे परत परत जायत आसा आनी आमकां आतां कंप्लिटली इनसेक्युअर दिसता
म्हजें एक सजेशन आशिल्लें की आमच्या हातून सेल्स लायनी भितर न्ही जिओ टॅगिंग म्हणून आसता जिओ टॅगिंग म्हणजे कितें आसता तो एकदां तो सेल्समॅन भायर सरलो न्ही तो टॅग जाता तो का एस्केप करपाचें तशें जिओ टॅगिंग जे पेट्रोलिंग आसता पळय 4 समज एक गाडी वता तर तांकां जिओ टॅगिंग मोबायल दिवपाचें ताका न्हिदपाक मेळपाना 15 मिनटान तांणी सेल्फी घालपाची अपलोड करपाचें आनी जी गस्त लायता ताणें व्हडली बॅटरी मारून सगळें टॉर्चिंग एवरी 5 मिनिट्स आनी 10 मिनिट्सान चलोवपाकूच जाय हें समज जायत आनी एवरी कॉर्नर तो परतून अर्द वरां भितर परतून थंय पावत जाल्यार मागीर रावूंक शकता हातून भितर लुफूच आसतले म्हणून कित्याक एकटो समज गाडी चलयता आनी 3 जाण आमी न्हिदयार म्हणलें मागीर 1 वरां आपूण करतात एक वर खूब आसा बाळा तें समज 5 पर्यंत 6 पर्यंत गेले हातून न्हिदपाक टायम मेळटा ह्या हातून न्हिदपाक मेळचें ना हातून दे हॅव टू गिव देअर सेल्फी एवरी 15 मिनिट्स अर्द वर धरा हातून ताका न्हिदपाक मेळचें ना हे समज इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जशी आमी सेल्स लायनी करता तशी समज हांगा लायले कोण न्हिदपाक पावना तांकां इन्सेंटीव बेज दिवपाची कितें तरी तांकां रिलीफ ऑफ तांची हेल्थ समज दवरपाक बरी दवरपाक जाय तांकां एक 2 hours 3 hours रिलीफ दिवपाची आनी हाजेर तांची गव्हर्मेंटान न्ही हे सजेशन समज पावत अख्ख्या इंडियाक म्हाका दिसता 70 ते 80% हे नाकामी जो न्हिदता जो झाडां पोंदा रावता कोण म्हणटा हाजे पुला पोंदा गाडयेन न्हिदतात हे सगळें बंद जातलें.
Hiru Mahale, Subhashish Govekar and Muzaif Shaikh for Goa 365.
We'll be back in just a moment with more updates. Don't go anywhere. You're watching news now on Goa 365. Welcome back. A major showdown unfolded today at Bali Gram Sabha, which was forced to adjourn after tensions escalated over 2 long pending issues. For the last 11 months, Bali has seen 11 different secretaries, and villagers say this constant rotation has crippled governance. They also demand that resolutions passed in previous Gram Sabhas be discussed and implemented. The members have made it clear until their 2 demands are met, the Gram Sabha will not be allowed to continue.
बाळ्ळी पंचायतीची ग्रामसभा आसली आनी ही ग्रामसभा जी आसा ही आज पोस्टपोन केले कडेन आसा आनी ती म्हणली जाल्यार 2 कारणां खातीर एक म्हणल्यार लास्ट ग्रामसभेची जी मिटींग जाल्ली तितूंतली मिनिट्स वाचता आसतना लोकांनी म्हणलें की हेजे पयलीं आन्सर दियात आनी ह्या आन्सर दिवपाक जालना कारणान आनी तेजी ज्यो कोणा ऑथॉरिटीक ज्यो लेटर धाडपाक जाय आसली ही धाडलेली रिप्लाय मेळना म्हणून आज हांगा ग्रामसभा जी आसा ही पोस्टपोन केले कडेन आसा एक हेजेर आनी दुसरी म्हणली जाल्यार हांगा 11 म्हयन्याक 11 सेक्रेटरी जाले ही एक लज्जेची गजाल की एक सेक्रेटरी एक 6 म्हयने सुद्दां दिवपाक जायना आसली ही बाळ्ळी अडणे पंचायतीची पंचायत आनी हेचे खातीर सगळे लोकांनी म्हणलें की जो पर्यंत आमकां फूल फ्लॅश सेक्रेटरी मेळना तो पर्यंत आमकां ही ग्रामसभा घेवपाक नाका ही 2 कारणां खातीर आज ही ग्रामसभा पोस्टपोन केले कडेन आसा. आतां पळोवया पंचायत केन्ना हेची आन्सर दितले आनी सरकार केन्ना सेक्रेटरी फूल फ्लॅश ह्या बाळ्ळी अण्णे पंचायतीक धाडटलो हो येणारो काळू पळोवच पडटलो.
एकूय सुद्दां विशय सॉल्व जायना अजून म्हणल्यार आमकां जाता तुवा आमी प्लॉटींग दिल्ले प्लॉट करपाचें म्हणून आमी सगळे लेटर केल्या सगळ्यो ऑथॉरिटी दिली आसा ते आयज बसून आमचे सॉल्व पंचायत करूं शकना जाल्यार तेंचे फुडें आसा आमी एक्शन घेवंक शकना अर्दुकूची उडयता त्या आमी आज पोस्टपोन केली.
म्हणल्यार हांगा आतां केन्ना दवरपाक केल्या
आतां सरपंचान सांगता म्हणला परत मिटींग.
आनी हितू सेक्रेटरी येता
सेक्रेटरी कांय उपेगाचें न्हय कांयच ना येयनाय सारकें टायम टू टायम.
म्हणजे आज तुम्ही ग्रामसभा बंद केली.
हय ग्रामसभा सरपंचान बंद केली.
ओके येतो ग्रामसभे अशें कित्याक येयलो इशू की बंद करपाचें
आमगे जाता उदक मेळना सारकें गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम जाता त्या आमी प्लॉटींग आमकां नाका म्हणून आमी तें पंचायतीक एप्ली रेजुलेशन घेतलेलें तेजे अजून पसून कांय पंचायती कडच्यान रिप्लाय ना.
आनी तेणी खंयच्याय ऑथॉरिटी लेटर धाडली.
लेटर धाडलें म्हणटा ते पण ऑथॉरिटी कांय सांगना न्हू पण अजून प्लॉटींग
ना 5 म्हयन्या पांच सेक्रेटरी जाले.
ते पयलीं जाल्ले आतां हांव जालेले आतां चार जाण जाले. मागे टायमार 4 जाण सेक्रेटरी जाले. एक दीस चार्ज घेता दुसरे दीस ना जाता. एकटे कोण 8 दीस रावलो ते गेले
म्हणून आज
ते ग्रामसभा बाबा ते धाडले एकटो कळ्ळो ते हे जालें ना.
म्हण ग्रामसभा लोकांनी कितें सांगलें आतां
फाटले वाचपा जाय
मिनिट्स
ते वाचले ना तेका लागून हे जालें
पोस्टपोन केल्या तुमी आनी ते मांडून जातले मागीर तुमी घेतले
सगळे रिपोर्ट येयले जाल्यार मागीर हे करता न्हू
ग्रामसभा घेतले.
Ramesh Naik wrote, Gautami Gaukar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
We'll be back in just a moment with more updates. Don't go anywhere. You're watching news now on Goa 365. And finally, turning to the weather, Goa woke up to warm and dry conditions once again. Even as cyclonic circulation continues to hover over the southeast Arabian Sea, the latest forecast shows rising humidity, light fog in the early hours, and temperatures slightly above normal in parts of the state. Here's the full update.
The India Meteorological Department, Goa, has reported that the cyclonic circulation over the southeast Arabian Sea continues to persist up to 3.1 kilometers above sea level. Despite this system, dry weather prevailed across Goa in the last 24 hours, with no rainfall recorded in any part of the state. Panaji and Mormugao recorded Goa's highest maximum temperature at 33.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum dipped to 24.5 degrees Celsius in Panaji. Humidity levels continue to remain high, 88% in Panaji and 90% in Mormugao, pushing discomfort levels up. However, seasonal rainfall since October shows an excess, 152% above normal in North Goa and more than 100% above normal in South Goa, thanks to earlier heavy spells. For the week ahead, Goa is expected to stay dry, except for the possibility of shallow fog or mist early in the mornings. Temperatures will hover around 34 degrees Celsius during the day and 23 to 24 degrees Celsius at night, with no major changes expected. While Goa's coast has no warnings, fishermen are cautioned about squally weather, with winds up to 55 km per hour along the Kerala-Lakshadweep belt and the Gulf of Mannar. So, Goa remains warm, humid and mostly dry for now, though early morning mist may slow down visibility. IMD continues to monitor the system over the Arabian Sea, but as of now, no weather warnings have been issued for the state. Cyclonic circulation persists over Arabian Sea. Goa to remain dry for next 7 days morning. Fog likely across Goa. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Monday, 34 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. Fishermen warned of squally weather in Kerala Lakshadweep Belt Bureau. Report Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
That's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more stories that matter. For in-depth reports and exclusive coverage, visit our website at www.goa365.tv and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Goa365TV. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you again tomorrow right here on Goa 365.